afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, sir.
Kamusta kayo ngayon?
Okay lang po.
Kumain na ba kayo?
Opo.
That's good. Tumayo tayo at magdasal. Lalim the Father, and the Son, and the
Our did I need thy will come, thy will be done, and earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
Before you take your seat, pakiayos ang upuan. Before the start of the class, please read the national words of pakibasa nga po.
No story
That's good. Okay, now let's proceed to our discussion. But before we proceed, I'll first shortly come on to the topic. Okay, what was the lesson yesterday? Because I will group it into two groups. You will play guess who is what. Ako dito, wait. Now I word that name people, place, things, and animal. They help us talk about who we see for our things. My example of person. Person ay tulad po ng ating nanay, tatay, at kuya. At ito naman yung place na yung ano, places. Bahay, farm, station, park, bayan, that. Of person is policeman, architect, tapos naman ay farm, station, tapos sa animals naman po natin ay rayon, pig, tapos sa things naman ay kapis, tapos crab. Children, how to give example of person? Yes? Router. That's good, Ray. Mr. Ganda ka. Give me a please. One word. Yes. Good. One more animal. Aso. Good. Good. Very good, children. Nakakasunod ang bawat isa. That's good, children. Nantindihan nyo mabuti ang ibig sabihin ng noun. Let's proceed the more activity. Number 1. Get one in the pass. The age picture which like the person, place, and animal things. Number 1. Doktor. Ano?
Person.
Yes. That's good, children. Number 2. School. That's good. Number 3. Nurse.
Person.
Person. That's good. Number 4. Good. That's good. Number 5. Jar. Place. That's very good. Number 1. Guys, sino nakakuha ng...
Si Darren.
That's good. That's very good. Wow, that's very good. Grabe. Igugubuhay divided na by two groups. Group 1, group 2. Okay, next. Direction. The people will be grouped into two. They will bring up paper scissors. And one people will pick one picture on top of and place it. It is the correct theory of person is animal or things. Like paper scissors. Okay. Game number 1. Start. Pick the one in the place person animal things. Sing. Yan mo na naman. The group 1 is 1 point.
Okay, next.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Person, yung parang niresearch natin kanina. Doktor, gano'n, school, gano'n. Hindi ka dyan kung ano yung answer niya, doon mo i-refer. Place, person, mahara, Iwan mo, ito po.
The group 1 and group 2 is 1 point.
Oh, go ka.
One, two, three.
Oh, jump na agi.
Pick the one and put it inside.
Matatan. Person. Uy, pala. Hindi, ang alala. Bakla, pinilit ko lang. Ang pahal ko yung ba't ito. Aria. One, two. Persons. Ano? Place. Come on. Kaya. Dali.
Hindi siya kaya. Pick the one.
Guys, Stephen, dito ka ay. Kasama naman kayo dito, dali. Dadala nyo. Yung isang sampo. Dito kayo, dito kayo. Oh, dyan guys, dito ka ay. Pising da. Oh, dyan lang. Person.
The winners is group 2. Please. The 3 people get the prize. Stand up and give the one.
Hindi, kasi tango lang yun. Hindi naman kinidyak ba rin?
Sugras, naintindihan na mabuti ang ibig sabihin ng noun. The noun is person, place, animal, and thing. Very good, children. I give you assignment for tomorrow. Get one in pass.
Baka kami both yun.
Okay, that's thank you for today. Guess who, guess what? Example, Bia is reading a short story. We study quickly in library. The basket is full of mangoes. The big is pink and big. Assignment.